One thing which is important is from this posture, when you step with this foot, it must go straight. You must not bring it in. So when you step with the left leg, don't bring it in. It must be shoulder width so that your hips can turn. The reason being, this next posture, there must be enough space for your foot to come in. If you step too narrow, when you come back and turn, there's no space for the hips to turn, so you're going to be off balance. So from here, you leave the hands behind, turn your center, hands are at face height, elbows down, and all the weight is now on this leg. And I'm going to sink into that leg, the right leg, and drop my hands. As my hands approach my waist, I start to move back. From here, sit back, weights on the back leg, leave the hands behind, turn 90 degrees. The back foot must be right in, so that the toes are pointing ahead. The hands at face height, elbows down. The weight is on the right leg. Sink into the right leg and slowly drop the hands. The weight stays in the right leg until the hands reach the waist. Then you start to move backwards. The hands will then occupy the space that my body did. A common fault is this because of lack of coordination. And you immediately move on to the back leg and then do this. Or this.